Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Volume for the most part was nothing, and then all of a sudden the last portion of the day came about, and especially the final 30 minutes, and you can see things really exploded to the upside. So a lot of eyeballs on this one now going into Wednesday, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First, ideal and key level of support. Ideal, I mean, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the best going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 47 cents. So don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below 47, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be best case scenario. Next level of support after that would be down here at the 45-cent mark. So 47 and 45, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, and that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 47 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? First key level of resistance is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at the round number of 50 cents. So 50 cents, public enemy number one. If the price can break up through 50, then next key level after that, before it enters into basically the miniature blue sky breakout, is right there at 52. And I say blue sky breakout because really the next level of resistance after that is not until that gap close up there. So I'm not shooting it straight up there. My point is that from a technical perspective, there just simply isn't any other history right around that area. So with a break of 52, especially if it's on higher volume, that could definitely get pretty interesting from a breakout perspective. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, no doubt about it. Very, very powerful close to the day. So we'll see if the price can build upon this momentum going forward or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.